This question has been asked by myself to many lamas, whether there is any difference between Atman and Buddha nature. Very, very difficult to answer this in one way, but on the other hand, the Buddhist fundamental view of emptiness always helps. Buddha nature is emptiness. Emptiness is Buddha nature. Emptiness is not other than the Buddha nature, and Buddha nature is not other than the emptiness. Let's quote Heart Sutra. So basically, Buddha nature is not a phenomena. It's not a phenomenon. Whereas Atman, the way the Upanishad talks about Atman, it seems to be indicating that it is a phenomenon. And that may be one of the biggest differences between the Hindu concept of Atman and the Buddhist concept of Buddha nature. I'll tell you, see, Buddha nature is actually what we call Dande. It's a result of elimination. You got it? Result of elimination. If you were to ask me, how can you prove that Buddha nature exists? Show me Buddha nature. Very difficult, right? But there's something I can do, and that is, I can prove that defilements is destroyable. You got it? That ignorance is destroyable. Aggression, passion, ignorance, pride, jealousy, all these are destroyable. They are temporal, they are dependent, they are caused, they are conditioned. With effort, we can destroy all of them. That I can prove easily. Let's say you are an angry person, right? Even without using the Buddhist method, somebody can pat your shoulder, calm down. So we know that anger is not a permanent entity. It is something that can be manipulated. It is something that can be destroyed. Okay? Now, I can prove that all these negative emotions can be destroyed. Absolutely. So what I'm saying is, I can prove the existence of absence of ignorance, and that proving that absence of ignorance is presence of the Buddha nature. Other than that, if you want me to show you a Buddha nature with light glowing from its head, 6 arms, 8 legs, it doesn't exist. And if it does exist, then it becomes an entity, and then it is very dangerous. Then Buddhist concept of Buddha nature would become like a Christian concept of soul. See, the Christians talk about saving the soul, isn't it? Save my soul, save his soul. You do not save Buddha nature. Buddha nature itself is a savior. It's the Buddha.